Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of HoneyBook and HubSpot. In order to do so, here we are at honeybook.com and we're also at hubspot.com. Let's take a look here at the homepage and see what kind of notable differences we can find. According to HoneyBook, it is the all-in-one client flow platform powering Canadian small businesses. What do you want to do with HoneyBook? Well, you can do invoices, contracts, scheduler, automations, inquiries, projects, forms, payments, and more. And you can try that for free. You can see here some of the recommendations that users of HoneyBook have provided. Again, use HoneyBook to send invoices, collect payments, sign contracts, schedule meetings, and you can trigger automated replies, follow-ups, or tasks with HoneyBook. Taking a look at HubSpot, you can also get a free demo of HubSpot's customer platform. HubSpot's AI-powered customer platform offers enterprise software for marketing, sales, customer service, content management, operations, and commerce. Our platform was built from the ground up to be a powerful, integrated, and easy-to-use system that leads to better customer experiences and business growth. And you can get your free demo here by signing up. Let's go ahead and ask Cider AI what the difference is between the two of them. Cider is a fantastic tool that integrates directly in your Chrome browser. We can just click on the icon at the bottom here, and we are going to ask Cider to give us the notable differences. Cider in this case is pulling from ChatGPT. So according to Cider, when comparing HoneyBook and HubSpot, it's essential to consider the specific needs of your business as both platforms serve different purposes and target different audiences. Here's a breakdown of their key features and functionalities. HoneyBook is primarily designed for creative entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners, focusing on project management and client resource tools. Key features include client management, leads. You can manage leads and clients with ease, including customizable workflows and automated follow-ups. You can create contracts and payments, create and send contracts and invoices, and process payments directly through the platform. You can use built-in scheduling tools to manage appointments and meetings with clients. You can organize projects, track milestones, and collaborate with clients seamlessly. It offers customizable templates for contracts, proposals, and emails to save time. The pros: its user-friendly interface tailored for creative businesses, strong focus on client communication and workflow automation, integrated payment processing, simplifies financial transactions. Cons: limited CRM functionalities compared to more extensive platforms, less flexibility for larger teams or organizations with complex needs. HubSpot, on the other hand, is a comprehensive CRM platform that caters to marketing, sales, customer service, and content management, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Its key features include robust CRM capabilities that help manage customer relationships across multiple channels, powerful marketing automation tools including email marketing, lead generation, and SEO, features like pipeline management, sales forecasting, and integration with various sales tools, help desk tools, ticketing systems, and performance analytics to improve customer support, detailed analytics to measure performance across all aspects of the business. The pros: it is a versatile platform with features to support various business functions, scalable solutions for businesses as they grow, extensive integration options with third-party applications and services. The cons: it can be overwhelming for smaller businesses due to the breadth of features. Pricing can be high for premium features, especially for larger teams. Summary: choose HoneyBook if you're a creative professional or small business focusing on project management, client communication, and financial transactions. Choose HubSpot if you need a full-fledged CRM system with extensive marketing, sales, and customer service tools suitable for a larger team or more complex business processes. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, take a look in the description and you will find a link to our link tree where you will find links to our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI, which is a fantastic tool as demonstrated here. And you can gain access to the top chatbots like Cider Fusion, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek so you can get the answers you're looking for. You'll also find a link to Sintra AI, and this is a phenomenal tool for new and established businesses who want to gain an edge in your strategy. You gain access to a variety of AI employees that can really help your business in a variety of facets, helping you to succeed. I highly recommend it. It's a wonderful tool. And take a look at those links. Click on those links. You'll also find some information on our upcoming webinars, and we would greatly appreciate it if you check those out.